Welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle with Glamour Has No Age. Today we're trying on a new palette. This is the Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. It's been out for a while, but it's new to me. So I think I'm gonna go all matte. I'm gonna go with Desk today. This one right here. So I'm going to take my fluffy crease brush. I'm going to go into this color right here. In the lighting, it's almost like a light pink. It looks beige in the pan, but it's a pink. I'm not mad about that. So far, I'm liking it. It is very blendable. Very blendable. Next, I'm going to take my pencil brush right here, and I'm going to go into this deeper pink color. I'm going to get both eyes done. Then I'm going to take my all over blending brush by Sigma, this one right here, and there's nothing on this brush, by the way. And then I'm going to take this color right here, my little flat shader, and put it all over my eyelid. Very pretty. Simple look. And that's what I like about Charlotte Tilbury. It's simple. I'm going to use my Full and Soft mascara by Maybelline. It's waterproof. I only use waterproof. And I'm going to finish my lips off with Pillow Talk. And that's it for the look. So I really like this palette. I'm going to be interested in trying all the other different shades in here. I really like it though. My first impression of the mattes. So if you don't have it and you're thinking about it, I say it's a good palette to get. I'm happy that I purchased it, and if I've run out of it, which I highly doubt because I have a lot of palettes, I would repurchase this one. This is a good everyday palette to have. A little expensive for what it is, but it is a good combination of colors to have for the office or for every day. And if this was your only palette, then I would say you'd be fine with that. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'd love to have you. I'm trying to post 3 times a week. I know lately I haven't been very good at it, but I'm going to try to keep posting 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks for watching. For the people who subscribe, thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.